All right, hello, I'm the dad. And today we're working on fixing the Sonic car. We also have Shadow here. He works fine. I guess he's turned off. Okay, but we took this guy apart to see what was wrong, like to compare it, have something to compare it to. And so we took the Sonic car apart and we took Sonic out just so he wouldn't be in the way.
Look over here.
And we found that, see this little cog right here? When you spin the wheel, you can spin this cog if you hold the wheel. You can spin the cog. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to stay where it's at. And so when it was running on the ground, it hit that resistance, and it would slow down, make a big noise.
Yeah, it's like a tiny head.
And so now we need to figure out how to secure that cog to the shaft so that it doesn't move when it's driving. And so we're going to try super glue first. Where's the camera? Right here.
Yeah.
We're going to try super glue and see if that works. And if that doesn't, then we'll try something else.
Super glue time. Okay. I don't know how to do this.
Now we gotta let it dry, hopefully without it sticking to other parts.
Sorry. Okay.
Whoa.
Oh, you didn't me.
What is happening?
So funny.
This is turning into a very weird DIY tutorial video.
Sorry.
I'll let it have some time to dry.
For how long?
All right, we'll come back in a few minutes and let you know how it turns out.
Super glue did not work. Flashback, the super glue didn't actually work. You didn't let it dry enough. So you gotta let it dry for about like a night. And then half of the day.
It's about like 24 hours.
Yeah.
You try like this. I don't know. I think it's like